What's up, YouTube? Chevy All Red here, back with another video. Just give you guys a little update on what I got going on right now. Okay, you probably can see some stuff, probably can't, I don't know. Anyway, I was at Summit Racing yesterday, and I picked up my Volant intake. I mentioned it in my last video when I was doing the plugs and wires on the Silverado. I was gonna grab one, and I grabbed one. So this isn't an unboxing, pretty much, because I was kind of like anxious to open the box and see what was in there. I opened it yesterday when I first got it, but you know, whatever. So basically, I kind of like took some things apart to see what's going on with how it kind of bolts together, whatever. And here's a little view of it. Oh, there's a cat. This is the filter that came with it. This one, I don't believe you can wash this one out. I don't think you can. I think I just buy another one, but according to Volant, they last for about 100,000 miles. I don't drive that truck a lot, so this should do just fine. So that's that. So this is the box that goes in. This is what do you want, kitty cat? He's crazy. Anyway, this is the box that goes in. Pretty solid box. It's not plastic, I think, or whatever this stuff's made out of. I think it's plastic. I'm not too sure what it is really, but you know, pretty good. It's 30. Okay, so there's the top of the box. I took it out. I took the top of this off the box to get the filter out. And we got some. We got the hat in here. This is pretty solid stuff. This is like made out of, I don't know what this is. Is it plastic or something? Is it plastic? Let me see. What does it say? There's the part number. So yeah, pretty good stuff. We got some couplers in here and stuff like that, which is cool. What else is in here? They didn't give me no carb sticker or nothing like that, or no stickers to put on my truck to make it fast. I get 10 more horsepower with stickers. You guys know that. Yeah, no stickers in it, which is weird. They do have another one from Volant. I can't remember the part number on it, but I know the filter on it is different. Volant sells 2 of these intake systems for the brain fart just now because the cat's killing me. For the 96 to 2000 GMT 400s. So anything with a Vortec motor in it, 5.7, you're pretty much good with either part number. This part number is part number 150576. They do have another intake system. I just can't think of the part number. I think it's like 15975 or 15976, something like that. But the difference in them is the filters are different. That's about it. That one you can wash out and reuse. This one you can't. I don't think you could wash it out. But 100,000 miles, that's a long time. That's almost life of a car, pretty much. And I don't drive that truck very often. I don't. It's in my job or at the house a lot. The reason why I bought this system was because you guys noticed I have that blue silicone tubing on my Silverado because the snorkel tube, or the little hump tube that goes on there, had a hole in it, and I got that for a quick fix, and it stayed there for a while. So yeah, I'm swapping out with this one now. So I'm gonna sort some stuff out. I'll be heading up AutoZone to get some degreaser so I can clean off under the stock airbox. I got some stuff that I want to take off. And the cat is sitting there looking at the camera on the other side of me. He's watching, he's cacking out. And also I want to give you guys a heads up on this also. This is a Craftsman toolbox, man. I got last Sunday actually. It's a 450 piece set. And it was 215 bucks at Sears. I'm not sure if the sale is going on for it still, but it's actually a pretty good box though. You got your sockets right here. Got more stuff down here. You know, your half inches and everything. Tiger, what are you doing, dude? What are you doing? And there's that one over there, a fat dog. And he was gonna go in the box. So yeah, this is a good tool set, you guys. You should get one. It's $115, and if you can't fix anything with this box, then you shouldn't be a mechanic. Then I guess you shouldn't be a DIY, I guess. So anyway, I got some things around the house first before I put this in. I'll probably do it tonight or probably first thing tomorrow morning, but I will definitely film my steps with how to remove the stock airbox and putting this together and putting it in. So I'll catch you guys either later on today or tomorrow morning. It depends on how I fare. I got things around the house and everything. What are you doing, dude? I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Alright, time has come. Start tearing off the old air filter box, and I couldn't get any degreaser, so I got just some regular Dawn soap and some hot water. I got a brush to agitate some of the dirt, and I got a pressure washer also that I might use. Who knows what I might use? But yeah, start tearing stuff apart and start putting the Volant intake on. I was gonna do it tomorrow, but I don't even feel like being in the house right now. So yeah, knock this out right quick. Shouldn't take long. Alright, let's pull this intake off. See how easy this thing is to pull this thing off for you guys, man. It's the wing nut back here, top of the manifold. Take that, put that right there. My stuff's already pretty much coming off anyway, so airline temp sensor. There's your MAF sensor back here. And let me show you how easy this thing comes off. Watch this. There you go. I shouldn't drop the MAF like that. Not a good idea, but hey, it's off. See? That was simple, wasn't it? Take my sprayer stuff here. This is just like water and Dawn soap. This way. We got to get this off right here also too for the new one. So let's see what's holding this thing on here. Let's go into the car. See what's holding it on. Oh, just regular bolt. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna get this thing pulled off. Probably gonna get the hat on first and get everything else on after that. All right, cool. All right, guys, got a little bit of the truck cleaned up a little bit. I had that compressor that was right here. Took it off. Got one screw, can't get it out. I'm gonna get a Dremel and cut an X in it and get it from the bottom. There's a compressor right there, and surprisingly, it still works. I'll finish up this and back with you in a second. Box mounted in. Have to jack my truck up a little bit to get under it, but we should be good now. Let it down. And it doesn't sit low like Kevin's did, but it's not bad. I'm not gonna hit that. It called for 2 lock washers, but they wouldn't fit. Couldn't get them on there, so set the hell with. I might try it again maybe. So next, got the box mounted in. Get the filter put on here. That's gonna be the fun part. Cause that filter's a pain in the ass to get on this little rim right here. But we should be able to get it on there. I should be. All right, catch you in a second. Alright, filters in, mask is on, air mask is on. So I'm going ahead and bolt the box up to it. Oh, right, wrong way. This thing's pretty cool. It's got like a seal on this back plate. On this plate for the top of the box. Seals in pretty nice actually. So, got my screws right here. It's got 4 little Phillips screws that go in here. Nothing crazy. So I got the car to exhale better, to inhale better now. This one's a little off. So only thing left now is get the headers done, and then after that, this thing will be inhaling and exhaling all kind of crazy. you know, and well, in theory, it's still a stock 5.7. But I think it has potential to be a good motor. I'm not gonna swap it, not just yet. So, screwdriver is this? Tighten everything up. Snug it down. I ain't gotta put all my force into it. Alright, so next is the whole intake piping. I gotta do something with this my amp wire. I might kind of put it through here and have it sit over here. So I should have did actually before I put this in there. Yeah, it could have went in there. No big deal. I'll figure something out. Alright guys, I'm coming down to like the wire and having this problem. Can't get this off. Yeah, it sucks. It's the last one I gotta put on. I got the other ones on. It's the one that goes in the back, and I can't seem to get it on. So let's see if I can put the new hat on with this on there still. Use the wing nut. If I can, cool. If I can't, then I'm screwed. Well, probably not. I tried unscrewing it, and man, this thing would not come off. It's like I tried, getting the fire, lighting it up a little bit, give a little bit of heat to it. Nope, nothing. So, continue to figure this out now. Alright guys, I had to head to the store to find something to pull the stud off. If I can't find anything, then I'm going to have to go get another stud. Get a new stud. And yeah. So most likely I'll be getting a stud probably, because if I can't find anything to pull this goddamn thing off, then I'm going to have to do something and figure something out, because it's starting to give me a headache. So I'm headed to O'Reilly's right now down the street from my house and see what they have to do. See what they have to make this thing come off, because I think it's metal to metal and it's been sitting on there for like 21 years. So we'll see what happens. Alright, peace out. Alright, so I'm back from O'Reilly. Got the stud off. Focus, there we go. Got the stud off, so I can put it in now and then hook up the hat and pretty much be done after that. Once I find the hat. Oh, it's over there. Okay, yeah. But so far, the only problem I had was this and getting the compressor out. This is not part of the kit. It's not the kit's fault, but the kit went in. The airbox and everything went in fine. Nothing to say about that. Bad. This up here, this is my wire for my amp, and I think I found out why it has that humming sound. This is a bad end on this side. It's kind of wobbly, but it's old. It's like 20 years old though, so I'm gonna have to probably get that flushed out, and I'm gonna run it different. I'm gonna run it through run the whole new wire, amp wire, everything different on the whole truck, all through the corner over there. That black loom wire that you see on top of the brake booster, yeah, that's the whole amp wire, the ground wire, power wire. Sorry, I run that off and then get new ground wire for the truck. All right. So this is pretty much it. It's pretty much done. Thought about painting this black, kind of like match the whole under the hood thing. Still gotta figure out what to do with this amp cord. This amp cord, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know. It's pretty. I might have to just take it out and redo it probably. What gauge wire is this? This is. I don't know what gauge. I'm gonna have them redo it. Zip tie some stuff up here so it's not just hanging off the AC line like it's been doing for the past couple of years. So I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna just end this video like this. I'll probably take it out to dry tonight, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Don't know how I feel. I'm tired now. That bolt got me tired. You know what? This kit right here, man, is kind of simple to go in, but it does have its drawbacks, like these damn intake bolts. The back one's a pain in the ass to get tight with. And I kind of understand where Kevin was getting pissed off at. And when I say Kevin, I'm speaking of Honey Badger of the South, or Honey Badger OBS. Kevin Robinson. Look him up on Facebook. He's big now. Yeah. So I can understand what Kevin was going through when he made this video. All right, you guys. I'm gonna finish up this and try to get that bolt in the back. and get it bolted down. And I might drive it, I might not. I don't know, depending on how I feel. I don't know. And this does fit under a stock hood. You can use a, I think it's a Taylor or VMAX 1-inch manifold spacer. Wouldn't recommend throttle body. I would not recommend that. They don't seem to really work with Vortex 350s, not really efficiently. So I wouldn't really suggest that as an upgrade. If you got one, hey, so be it. But for the guys that's getting these trucks, want to make a little power out of them, I wouldn't recommend getting one. All right, later. All right, guys, everything's back together. Got the MAF and the air intake temp sender hooked up and everything. This gonna be a problem, I guess. You can't. Well, yeah, I guess you can't see what's in there. I'm gonna leave this here for the time being, and run that a little bit different. I'm gonna get a new wire and run it all around the truck. Like run it under here, around under the water bottle, and then back up, and then across the firewall, and then into the cab it goes. I'm gonna have them redo that because that wire is old. So we're gonna test fire this up, see what happens, and you know, see what it does. See. So far, so good. I get these tight still. These kind of feel loose a little bit. No big deal. So, yeah. That includes the install of the Volant intake. Freaking pain in my ass putting this thing in. So, who needs an intake? Yeah, stock them for sale. The air filter in there. Everything with it. So, next thing would be to keep saying to get these fucking electric fans put on. The mount the relays for them, how about here? Mount them right there. Side of the box for the relays. Sounds good still. Alright, y'all. I'm going to the house. I'm beat, tired, I'm done. I'm gonna go in the house now and I'm gonna freaking chill out and eat, shower, and go to sleep. Put these together and I'm gonna send them. I'm gonna put everything together and I'm gonna go ahead and upload it probably tomorrow morning like that. All right, y'all, peace out. Stay rolling.